Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and just a quick reminder that it is extremely important to update your browsers this week. If you're using a browser that is Chromium based, which is everything pretty much except the Firefox browser, there was a huge amount of security fixes this week, including some 0 days, some critical flaws. So it's very, very important to fix the browser. So Google Chrome, if you're using Chrome, make sure you're up to date. And of course, all the Chromium browsers, so an Edge, for example, there was an update that happened late Thursday night. That also was mostly rolling out yesterday, Friday. So upper right corner, 3 horizontal dots, help and feedback, and about Microsoft Edge. You should be at 147.0.3912.72. This is the bug fixing for security. So all the security flaws that were in Chromium, and there was a lot of them, are all also fixed in this Microsoft Edge browser. And that means, of course, that if you're using a Chromium browser like Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, and so on, it is very important for you to also check to make sure that it is up to date, as all of these security flaws are based on Chromium. And of course, these browsers all use a Chromium engine. So it's very important to make sure that you update to stay safe, especially this week, because it's pretty amazing the amount of security flaws that have been fixed this week for the browsers. And this is your first line of defense. You don't want anything to go through this because you didn't fix a security flaw. So just make sure you're up to date, and like that, you're going to stay safe on the web. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.